Welcome to our vlog. I am James Gerald Vida. Today we will be diving into a fascinating topic that affects each and every one of us, and that is communication. That's right, my boy. Communication is the lifeblood of our society that allows us to connect and share ideas and understand each other with clarity. And what's even more intriguing is how communication methods have evolved over time, shaping our interactions and relationships in profound ways.
Absolutely. To explore this theme further, we've lined up insightful interviews with two individuals from different generations, a senior citizen and a teenager.
We will be delving into their personal experiences with communication and their perspectives on how it has evolved in the 21st century.
Sit back, relax, and join us on this journey as we unravel the intricacies of how information is received, transmitted, and passed on in our community. Good afternoon, Nay. We would like to ask you a few questions regarding our topic and your experience along. First, introduce yourself, Nay.
Ako si Josie Sidian, Spora na kuman kay hindi naman ay nasa magbiasa ako sa talaga. Agad 62.
Nari ang question. Can you share a memorable experience from your youth that highlights how information was transmitted or communicated back then to compared to now? Kibali, kuan, memorable mo experience gikan pagkabata nimo ay gi-highlight ang information o kaguno transmit ang para sa ako. Sa ako na to para sa ako.
Ang sa ako. Pagka gusto ako sa Paligyan High School. Napili ako na officer sa CEP or student sa akin. Tapos, enjoy tayo ako live. Salamat sa buwan. Tapos, communication, gustoan, medyo malisod kay pila kasi mana o later man pansay kasi mana adis pa magawat
So, sa ako
malisod kontra sa kuman pagwala dali ra kay cellphone na ito mag pindot ra
sa pindot ra kibali.
oo galing dali ra kasi ni madazon ma tawag dahil istorya
Mas masarap.
mas masarap tawagan na
Ayan, second question. How do you perceive the changes in communication methods and technology over the years? And how do you think it has impacted society? Bali, sa uno mo pag communication, ang pag-evolve ng technology ba sa passing years? Tapos, so, kung positive ba o negative ang impact na nila sa ating society?
sa una negative ako palikuan ay sa nakakataon sulti ko na malisod gazon kay sa i-compare sa kuman mas madali dahil na gazon ang kalainan gazora ang kalainan sa kuman.
So, base sa imo to bag, tibali positive ang impact ng bagong high technology.
Positive bilang ako positive bunot kay sa nagagaw sa mas madali mas naklat
Efficiency and precision, di ba? Okay, Nay, salamat sa time na imo taghatag sa pag-cooperate sa among interview.
Now for our second and last participants. Good afternoon, sir. We would like to ask you a few questions, but first, introduce yourself to our.
My name is Juan Alas Esquivel and I am 16 years old.
Our first question is, what are some common ways you and your peers communication with each other today, and how does it differ from previous generations?
Well, from the previous generation, there was no something like the internet, so they always talk personally, and today we can communicate through phones, and chat messages, and that's all we do that with this kit.
For our next question, in your opinion, what are the pros and cons of the various communication platforms available in the 21st century, and how do they affect your daily life?
Well, the pros of the various communication platforms is it is easy to access and also efficient. And also the cons is due to cyber related issues that are happening right now. That's all. Thank you.
That's right.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you for your time and cooperation.
And that's all.
And that concludes today's insightful discussion on communication. We hope you enjoyed gaining new perspectives and insights on how information is transmitted in our community.
Found this discussion provoking, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for our channel for more engaging content on a wide range of topics.
And remember, communication is not just about speaking. It's also about listening and understanding. So let's continue to foster meaningful connections and dialogue in our everyday lives. As always, we love hearing from you. So feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your feedback drives our content forward.
Till next time, stay curious and stay connected and keep the conversation going on. Thank you for watching and bye!